If you are looking for an everyday dress shoe, you might want to check out these Bruno Marc shoes. I recently wore them and I wanted to give you guys a quick review on them. So when you get them, they do come in these really nice shoe bags if you like to, wear your shoes once or twice, and you can put them back in the bag to prolong the use of them. It's a nice feature that they add in here. So these are the shoes. They come in a variety of colors. I obviously went with like this bluish grayish color. I find that this shoe actually goes with a lot of different colored pants. I also like this stitching here on the back side here. All of the white stitching is a nice touch. The leather here on the back is a nice touch as well. The laces are a really good length. I don't like it when laces are really, really short and it doesn't allow you to get a nice tight fit, but these laces are plenty long enough for you to do that. The shoes itself, even the first time I wore these, they were really comfortable. There isn't much padding here on the side, but there is padding you guys can see on the back side here where the leather is. So that's really, really nice. I've got thin heels, and a lot of shoes, sometimes the heels, they wear out here because they don't have a lot of padding, and then I end up getting a blister. So definitely a lot of nice padding for the heel and your toes. And then on the back side here, there's a lot of great, good rubber. So if you guys are looking for a nice all-around shoe, highly recommend the Bruno Marc dress shoes, all right? Thanks for watching another Smart Tips product review. As usual, you can find the product reviewed in this video in the description down below. It is an affiliate link, but it's at no added cost to you, and it helps support my channel. If you got value out of this video, make sure you smash the like button. And if you want to watch future videos from me, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.